Namaskaram. A common herb which is popular among Indian households is the holy basil. It is referred to as holy not just due to its spiritual philosophy but also because it affects the nervous system. The entire plant, including the seeds, roots and leaves, has therapeutic qualities. It is thought to be a tonic for the mind, body and the spirit. Also, it has digestive, analgesic, anti-tussive, antibacterial, antifungal, anti-inflammatory and antipyretic effects. It is a good source of calcium, zinc and vitamin C. The anti-inflammatory properties can help to lower the risk of inflammatory conditions such as arthritis, heart disease and bowel issues. Basil has antibacterial properties. The oils in the herb may help to fight bacteria in people with respiratory, urinary, abdominal and skin infections. Having antioxidants and antibacterial properties, basil helps maintain skin health, boosts digestion and detoxifies the body. Let's check out different uses of this holy basil. An infusion of fresh holy basil flowers relieves coughing and chest heaviness in those with bronchitis and respiratory issues. To relieve fever and viral infection in viral fever, a decoction of leaves, basil seeds and pepper is used in tiny doses every 3 hours. Warm water with 2 to 3 drops of distilled holy basil extract provides treatment for all stomach ailments like nausea, ulcers and indigestion. Holy basil essential oil provides prompt treatment for bug bites. It also acts as a neutral substance considered to help the body adapt in stressful conditions and fosters mental equilibrium. 500 ml of leaf extract per day is more effective than sleeping drugs at relieving anxiety and sleep disorders. In a cup of boiling water, steep 2 to 3 teaspoons of basil leaves for 5 to 10 minutes. The following issues can be treated with this beverage. Antioxidant properties helps in body detoxification, which slows the growth of cancer cells and speeds up the healing of the wounds. It contains zinc, which helps to regulate metabolism and lower blood sugar levels. With its adaptogenic, anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties, it aids in providing pain relief for fibromyalgia and arthritis. You can also simply put a few holy basil leaves in a cup of water and drink it twice daily for a calming beverage. We hope that this wonder herb, which is also challenging Western medicine, will prove beneficial for you. We'll see you in our next illuminating video very soon. Pranam.